Hey, Fallen Waters Davis Boulevard, Bob Mangino here. It's October 6, 2025. Are you curious as to what Fallen Waters condos have sold for over the last 90 days? Stick around and we will review the 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom condo sales over the last 90 days. We will be looking at data from a comparative market analysis showing the median closed sales price in each category of condo in Fallen Waters. We'll be looking at the 2-bedroom with carport, the 2-bedroom with garage, and the 3-bedroom with garage. This information shows recent trends, pricing shifts, and buyer activity that can seriously boost your strategy, whether you're buying, selling, or just curious. Knowing what's happening now helps you make smart decisions fast. So let's dive into this fresh data to set your price right to sell, spot hot trends, or time your move perfectly. Stay informed, stay ahead, use Fallen Waters Davis Boulevard stats to your advantage today. We looked at the closed sales for 2-bedroom condos with a carport in Fallen Waters over the last 90 days, and there was 2 sales. There was 1 sale in Fallen Waters 2, and there was 1 sale in Jasmine, and the median closed sales price for the 2 bedrooms with a carport came in at $283,750. We did a comparative market analysis of the 2-bedroom condos with a garage in Fallen Waters that sold over the last 90 days. We had just 2 sales. One was in Cascades and one was in Mag Falls. And the median closed sales price for those 2 condos came in at $352,500. We did a comparative market analysis for 3-bedroom condos with a garage in Fallen Waters over the last 90 days. And we had 3 sales in that category, the 3-bedroom with a garage. And the median closed sales price for the 3 bedrooms came in at $415,000. In conclusion, we looked at the data from the Naples MLS and did a comparative market analysis of 3 categories of Fallen Waters condos. We looked at the 2-bedroom with a carport, the 2-bedroom with a garage, and the 3-bedroom with a garage to determine their median closed sales price over the last 90 days. We've seen some interesting shifts. Demand is steady, but buyers are getting pickier, focusing more on value and location. Inventory levels have balanced out, giving buyers more choices without rushing decisions. We found the going sales price of 2-bedroom condos with a carport was around $300,000. The going sales price of 2-bedroom condos with a garage was around $350,000, and the going sales price of 3-bedroom condos with a garage was around $400,000. If you'd like to discuss what your condo would sell for in this buyer's market, schedule a free Zoom call by calling 404-242-6498. I'd love to hear from you. For more videos like this, click the video above.